For this video, I'm just going to show you how to add contour lines to a flat work plane so that you can draw a perspective rectangle, add some contour lines to it and give the impression that the shape has been distorted. So to start off with, I'm just going to draw 4 work planes. Quite simple, a little bit rough, that's fine. Okay, so I've got 4 rough work planes just drawn like that. First thing I'm going to do is just split, I'll start with this one here, split this work plane into 3 parts. So roughly, line here and one there. The next thing is, imagine this is like a sheet of paper and I'm going to put 2 folds in the paper. So I'm just going to put 2 little marks here. And the first fold is going to go upwards. So I'll draw a line from this point to this point. Then it can fold down and then come up from here to the end, like so. Next side, I'm just going to join up the points again. Slightly thicker pen now. Okay, so I've just drawn some thinner lines just for where the crease would be if it was on a sheet of paper. Next one over here, I'm going to do the same again. Just tidy up my box. And this time I'm going to have it with a curve. So I'm just going to start here at the bottom and curve up. Hit the point. Go over it with a thicker pen. Okay, so we've got one sheet, so assume it's like a sheet of paper or maybe like the roof of a building where it's got a sharp incline to a point and then down and then up. This one, similar way that we've laid it out, but it's got a curve that sweeps for going up high, down low, and I've copied the same by just mapping over the point to this side. This one I'm going to have running through the middle. Exactly the same. Okay, so that's just like one sheet or part of a building or the top of a product where we've got a crease down the middle. You can see how the box I drew first, the top of it would be here on this line, and then I've used this to mark how far down the crease would go. The steeper the angle, the longer you'd do this line. This next one, I'm going to do something similar. I always dislike drawing on A4 paper. I always end up with my hand slightly higher than my elbow. So drawing on A3 and a bigger desk than what I've got now would be much more preferable. So there you have it though. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 simple profiles that started off like a perspective work plane, and just by adding some points high and low on that work plane, we'll just be able to add some contour lines to give a feeling of shape to that plane that we had. So have a practice and then maybe use the shape to add to something. So this one, if you had this one coming up higher, it could be a sun lounger or the roof of a building. You decide, and yep, keep practicing. Thank you.